everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5. It's spring and a bit chilly out this morning, so I thought I would start the day with videoing inside. And I had mentioned in the one video about carrots that I was going to plant some cilantro for my sweetheart. And that's what I'm going to do today. So, as normal, I'm going to start with damp soil. And I'll probably keep this inside for a bit since it is cold out, and cilantro likes it on the warm side. You will notice that certain plants, like a lot of Mexican food style plants, which cilantro is, they're a warm weather plant. You know, they came from a tropical area, so they're going to want it warm to get started. So I'm going to keep this inside for a while to make sure it gets a good start. Let me continue filling this up. And I also wanted to point out something here. I got a bouquet of roses. This is from my sweetheart. I call him Kitty. So if you saw my one video on a Dollar Tree haul, I have in there about why I like roses, and this is my first bouquet from him, but he has brought me a rose before, simply because of that video. He thought it was important to do so. So he's a good kitty. I'm going to keep him. Alright, we're going to put this in there, and these are the cilantro seeds. And remember, I had talked about planting the seeds, if it's not on the packet of how deep to plant them. Rule of thumb is plant them twice as deep as the diameter of the seed. So I'm going to kind of smooth this out. I don't want to pack it down or flatten it. And I'm going to sprinkle these seeds all in here. And I will nip off the ones right at the soil level that are growing too close, because we're going to have to thin them out. It's better off to nip them than it is to try and pull them, because you're disturbing the roots of the ones that you want to keep in there, and then they aren't going to do as well. So it's easier just to go in, get some tiny scissors, and just trim those off. I'm going to top this off. So, not really top it off, but cover the seeds a little bit. And that's about a 1/4 inch of soil on there. And then what I'm going to do, I am going to put on here, I've got my little marker from the Dollar Tree, cilantro for Kitty. Okay. Then we're going to take this. This stuff is fabulous. I do not use saran wrap at all. This stuff is great. Could also put over it like a 2-liter soda bottle top. I don't have any of those right now. Or one of my milk containers. Ooh, I thought I might have to rubber band this, but I don't. It even works on pots. See, I told you this stuff was fabulous. Okay, so that is my cilantro Kitty-O montage video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a little subscribe button down at the bottom, and you can just click on that, and you can see me all the time when you want to. So, any comments, concerns, questions, go ahead and put them down there, and I will see you guys in the next video.